Shivambu uthi into eyenze basukumela ukuhlola ingqalasizinda ilezi insolo zokubuyiselwa kwemali emuva.
The damages of the infrastructure that had occurred, but also we then decided to come now because this development of national treasury wanting to withdraw almost 2 billion rands of the grants that were availed for the municipality to respond to the disaster that was caused by the floods.
uShivambu uthi bayabuseka ubuholi babo beqembu obakhishwa ngesankahle emhlanganweni womkhandlu ngoba babuze ngemali ayabelwe ukulungisa ingqalasizinda ukuthi isetshenziswe kanjani.
Wanting to withdraw almost 2 billion rands of the grants that were availed for the municipality to respond to the disaster that was caused by the floods. So we have visited several areas here in Ezacekeleka. We went to Hammarsdale wastewater treatment plant. We also went to Kingsburg wastewater treatment plant. We went to one of the landfills in Shongweni.
Uphinde wathi lokhu bakwenza ngoba kubhekwe emaholidini okuphela konyaka kanti abantu abangavalelwa izindawo zokungcebeleka olwandle.
And we came here to check the progress that is being made in terms of repairs of the pools. And later on we're going to be going to the Northern Waterworks, which is a waste treatment plant as well.
Kuze kube imanje kusenezindawo ezingenawo amanzi kanye nemigwaqo eyacekeleka phansi ngesikhathi sezikhukhula eThekwini.